So in this video, let us talk about one of the most crucial aspect or pillars in Python, known to be as generator. A generator is a special type of function that doesn't return all of its values at once. Instead, it produces one value at a time using the yield keyword and pauses after each value. When you call it again, it resumes right from where it left off. This makes generator memory efficient and perfect for handling large sequences of or infinite series like Fibonacci. The biggest advantage of a generator is, of course, the memory efficiency. Instead of creating and storing the entire list in memory, a generator produces values one at a time only when you ask for them. This means it uses a tiny fixed amount of memory no matter how large the sequence is. So, generators are perfect when you need to process big data or large sequences without wasting RAM. There is one important thing that usually interviewers also ask: what is the difference between iterator and generator? An iterator is again a object you can loop over using then the method of iter or next, and we usually have to build the entire sequence in the memory first. So basically, when you po- initialize any object by the means of iter, so the whole object or the whole iterable will be residing in the memory, whereas in the case of generator, only the processing element will reside in the memory, right? So a generator is a special kind of iterator also, you can say, that we write using yield keyword, and it creates values on the fly without storing everything. All generators are iterators, but not all iterators are generators, and generators are far more efficient. In order to understand this a bit better, what we will do, we will you define a function that computes a square. Given this input list, we will generate an output like this using generator. So we declare a function compute square. This expect one input, accepts one input in the parameter. We can iterate through this, and instead of return we can write val into 2. So this will give you the yielded keyword, yielded value of the iteration that is being performed. So at first iteration we get 2 in the val, and 2 square will be yielded over here, 4 square will be yielded, and over here 6 square will be yielded. We can visualize this by directly iterating through this compute square, passing the list, and we can initialize the input list as 2 comma 4 comma 6, and we can print this, right? So the way this whole thing got executed, the flew yielded the first most iteration, that was 2, and it computed its square and it yielded. Now again, in the next interval, your the flow began from where it left off. So by principle, what is being happening over here, a generator is holding only the main processing element, a single element at a time. So that is the main memory efficient advantage that we get from the generator. Thank you.